Hi, this is Mayor John Hamilton. It's Friday, July 24th. Just wanted to check in with my fellow employees. I hope you were able to check out the Recover Forward address comments that I made last week in lieu of a specific inside video that really talked about how we're going to move forward as a city government, including a focus on trying to make sure we're preserving enough of our fiscal income, including from reserves, to protect employment so we don't need to do any layoffs over the next couple of years. We've really set aside $4 million that I'm asking the City Council to approve to protect our city employment base, as well as another $4 million that I will be asking City Council to appropriate for specific recovery efforts to help our community climb out of this hole. So if you want more detail about that, check out the speech from last week or online if you want, but all that's focused on trying to protect our basic services that all of you do, and I want to thank you for that. As to COVID, you probably know this Monday, just earlier this week, I put out a specific order that puts new restrictions in place earlier in the city of Bloomington than in the county. We've got now a mask order that covers all of us to wear masks indoors. There are exceptions, of course, but basically all the time indoors, and if we're outdoors and within 6 feet of people, or might be within 6 feet, we need to wear masks then too. You can check out the details of those orders as well online or call our office if you want more information. Now, it's also really significant. The reason we're doing this, taking these steps, is because we continue to see threats and concerns about the virus. It is real. We've had actually a total of 7 city employees, including Bloomington Transit employees, over the last 4 weeks that have been diagnosed positive. That was after a period of 12 weeks with no cases at all. So in the last 4 weeks, we've seen a rise. We've seen a rise in areas around us, particularly Indianapolis, our county too. We see restaurants with some of them closing down because of this. So we are definitely not out of the woods. The importance of us continuing to do our work is unchanged, the essential work that we need to do to keep our city going, but it also reminds us how important the safety protocols are. We know those safety protocols have helped in some of our departments. When we've had one person ill, we've seen that the safety protocols have kept that from spreading to others. So please, wearing masks, protecting physical distance, cleaning and disinfecting, washing hands, all those are very important. We're going to have 30,000+ people arrive in our community over the next few weeks as IU reopens. We have school corporations starting again. All that's going to mean the virus has a chance to get more foothold. So from one employee to another, I'm not wearing a mask because I'm alone in my room right now in the office, but please do take all precautions. We've seen around the country what's happening, and how we behave will affect the trajectory of our community. Your work is essential from noon to midnight, from midnight to noon, from from east to west, north to south, all through the city. Thank you for what you're doing. You're helping the community keep alive and well and thriving with jobs and education and so much more. So please stay safe, follow these protocols, take care of each other, and take care of Bloomington. We have important weeks ahead of us. Thank you.